Hello and welcome. My name is Jason Francis, the founder and executive director of T.O.P Soccer. T.O.P Soccer is a non-profit organization based in the Northeast Bronx that uses soccer as a platform to empower future leaders. The way we go about serving youth and the community is by disseminating several programs. One of our programs, it involves nutrition. Why is nutrition important? Nutrition is important because it is the study of nutrients, and nutrients are those things that we consume or put into our bodies. In today's first segment of this special programming, we want to focus on the importance of water. Why is water important? It is also known as the sustenance of life. Our body composition is comprised of 60 to 70%. Instead of thinking that we want water, we actually need it more so. We need it for a variety of reasons. Those reasons, they are broken down into different functions. The first function I'd like to speak on is temperature regulation. So our bodies, it must be in the realm of having a specific type of temperature in order to be healthy. So if you measure Fahrenheit, it's a relatively, I think, 98.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 36.5 degrees Celsius, right? To ensure that we are in a healthy state. So drinking water helps regulate our body temperature. Second function of water, it is digestion. So we need to ensure that we are consuming the right amount of water to aid and expedite the digestion process. We don't want to be left feeling lethargic nor bloated after food or beverage consumption. The third function of water is nutrient absorption. So at the beginning of this video, I spoke about nutrients and how they benefit the human body. There are two types. One, micronutrients, which are in the form of vitamins and minerals. The other, it is macronutrients, which come in the form of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. So we need to ensure that we're drinking enough water to extract the necessary amount of nutrients from these substances to ensure our daily physiological functions. The fourth function of water is blood formation. Blood formation is extremely critical to our sustenance and our existence. There are two types of blood cells. There's the red blood cell, which carries oxygen throughout the body, and there is the white blood cell, which helps fight off different types of viruses and diseases and really acts as a protective mechanism for the human body. So by drinking enough water, we will be aiding these blood cells through the process of blood formation. The fifth and final function of water is waste elimination. Again, going back to food consumption, when we consume different things, whether it's natural foods or processed foods, we need to get rid of whatever toxins may remain in our bodies. And by doing so, we need to drink enough water so this process of waste elimination takes place. Now you may ask, well, how much water should I consume during the course of a day? For an adult, roughly 8 to 12 cups. For a child under 12 years old, it should be half of that. But if you're an athlete and you're exerting more force or more energy throughout the day, or let's just say you have a demanding life where you're burning tons of calories, you may want to increase your intake. So you have to gauge your own physical and daily activities and figure out how many cups you need. The 8 to 10 cups, or if you're a child, half of that is just a guideline. So again, the 5 functions of drinking water: 1, temperature regulation, digestion, nutrient absorption, blood formation, waste elimination. I hope you guys enjoyed this snippet and look forward to more nutrition tips from Top Soccer. Thank you.